Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalom Blac. I have a very exciting video for you guys today. This video is sponsored by Savage X Fenty. You guys know a month ago I did a video trying out the lingerie line for the first time and I absolutely loved it. A lot of you guys liked it too. So Savage X Fenty asked me to do another video, which I'm super excited. So for this video, I am actually going to have my little sister who is here and staying with me for the summertime. So yeah, I'm just gonna have her like rate the outfits that I have. Before we get into this video, I just want to let you know that Savage X Fenty is a lingerie line that was created by Rihanna, you know, the Savage herself. So basically they have bras, underwear, sleepwear, anything that you can think of that's like intimate wear, stuff that you wear at home or under your clothes. They have it, and everything is priced under $100. Who's blowing up my phone, bra? Can get 2 bras or bralette or a mixed match of bra and a bralette for only $29, and then anything else that you have in your cart, you can get 50% off of that if you signed up for the VIP membership, which you can cancel at any time or skip a month that you're not interested in getting anything. So here we have some goodies. Ooh, I think I'm loaded. I'm loaded with a lot of stuff, man. Okay, let's get my sister up here and let's start rating this lingerie line. Why are you so irritating? Do you think this is easy? Okay guys, here she is, my little sister. Hey guys, this is my little sister. You guys have seen her in a couple of my videos, but she hasn't been here in a while because you guys know I moved to LA, so we couldn't like make videos, so she's just here for the summertime. You're going to be rating my lingerie from 1 to 5, being that 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest that you can give it. So yeah, and just be honest, and I guess let us know why you gave whatever point you gave to the lingerie. Okay, so let me go ahead and get in my first lingerie. So this one that I have here, the undie thong, it's a lace undie, basically matching the top, which is a lace bralette in the black. And I told you guys in my other video, I love matching my bottoms to my top because I don't know, it just kind of makes me feel sexy. So I feel sexy right now. I feel good. I feel confident. So go ahead and rate this lingerie bralette and undie. What you gonna rate it?
I'll give it a 3. 3.5.
3.5?
Yeah, I feel like, okay, it's not really like a boom outfit, but I think it's just
not
a statement.
an outfit. This is stuff that you, I don't understand what you're not understanding. This is not something you're gonna just go out with. You put it inside. It's an intimate wear.
You kept saying outfit, so I'm saying outfit.
No, I kept saying lingerie, and when I say outfit, I
okay, so I'll rate this a 3.5 because I feel like it's such a simple like lingerie.
I personally would give this a 5 just because it's black, and I honestly love black, and it's lace. The back here is crisscross, so I don't know, I feel like it gives me extra support. And yeah, so
okay guys, here's the second set.
So we got lavender in here. Wow, honestly I don't think I've worn anything that's like purple lavender, like in that purple range, but I'm really loving this color against my skin tone. It looks beautiful. What do you think?
I like it. I like the color. I think it looks good on like dark skin tones and melanin.
And like it kind of has a print of like leopard print, but it's like in the lavender color. On my first video I actually had this in the brown, so this is just like the same thing in basically lavender. I really like this. What are you gonna rate it?
I'll give it a 5. I really like the color. I don't think Shalom ever wears anything like that, so
yeah.
Make it feel good. Come on with me now. Come on with me now. Boom, clap, make me feel good. I don't remember the fucking word.
It's boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beats go on and on and on and on and on. Boom,
clap, make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now.
Yeah, so this one has padding in it. Obviously it's not a bralette, this is the actual bra, and I just love how it's like cut. It's kind of giving you like a sweetheart, you know. If you're wearing the sweetheart tops, even though like the ones with the sleeves, then you can definitely get away with this. And I just love the little lace detail on the side here that matches. Bitch, I can't breathe. I just feel like
when you try to rap Nicki Minaj's part.
I can't breathe. Oh my. Basically, this is the matching set, even though it's sold separately.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll give this lingerie set a 4. It's very simple. Why are you just standing there like that?
I'm just waiting for you.
Yeah, it's very simple. I think it's like you could put that under anything.
I would give this
comfortable.
I would give this a 4 just because I'm not really a fan of bras that do add elevation to my boobs, just because my boobs are already pretty perky. So I feel like it really brings it a bit much more higher, which I know some people love, but for me, I'm not really a huge fan of it. But the bra and the color is just so beautiful. So yeah, that's why I'm giving it a 4. I also have this bra right here, which is the underlined bra in mahogany. This is a 32C. Oh yeah, if I didn't mention my bra size, I wear 32C. Here is the bra that I just matched with the other underwear. What do you think? I love this. Like, do you see how it's like supporting my boobs? It didn't give me that extra elevation, but it's like holding the babies.
This is the next lingerie set.
Rate me, Amy.
I'll give this lingerie set a 5, just because I used to be obsessed with zebra prints when I was younger, and like this
is tiger.
Okay, tiger. Well, it looks like a zebra print, so I'll give it a 5 just for that. Memories. I like the color too.
Yeah, I like blue. Blue and pink are always like coordinating color for me. So yes, I would definitely give this a 5 too. I like it. I love the color. It pops on the skin. I low-key wish this was like a bathing suit, because I would be rocking it. Hello.
Here is the next set, guys.
Hello, it is me. Do you know who the fuck you're talking to? I don't think so. So right here we have the high neck bralette. Look at that. You guys know cheetah is my thing, and I had to bring her back this time. I love this because I can totally wear this as a top and actually go out. And then the bottom right here is the boy brief, and it's just, you know, slightly.
It's called boy brief.
Yeah, it's called boy brief. It's called boy brief, and I decided to pair this and this because I feel like the colors just go well together. Again, complementing the skin tone. I love anything that complements my skin tone, so I'm really digging this. I know I say I would give this like a 5. The highest is a 5, but I want to go to a 10 because that's how much I feel about it. But go ahead and rate it.
I'll give it a 5.
A 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
I like the color. That reminds me of like fire.
Fire, flame.
And fire's like in now, I guess.
Fire, flame, cheetah. Oh yeah, I do see the fire. I mean, it's like
it looks like hot Cheetos.
Like it's basically leopard skin, but
I'm hungry.
I mean leopard print, but it's hot. And then the bag. One thing I like about it, the bag goes like low right here. I almost thought that this was the front for some reason when I was putting it on, but I really like that because you have like your bag is basically left out if it's hot outside. If you do decide to wear this out,
or if you have a top that's like low in the back.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, we're going to try on the last item that we have here. This one is a lingerie. It's a slip-on blue denim lingerie, which I've been eyeing for so long, so I'm super excited that I got it in my box this time.
Last but not least, here is the next set. Woo!
Ooh, break it, honey. Break it, honey. Break Work it, honey. Work it, honey. Work it. Work it, eh, work it, work it, work it, eh, work it, work it, work it, eh, work it, work it, work it.
Ow, that hurt.
I am obsessed. I've been eyeing this on the website for so long, and they actually do have a robe that you can wear this with if you want. But I got the dress, and look at this, like the lace detail on the bottom. You guys know how I told you I'm obsessed with lace. So everything that's added with laces just kind of gives the slip-on even a little amped up look that I really like. So yeah, it's basically not denim, but it's giving you like denim wash. And here it is. This is a size 2. I have to wear the underwear that I just had earlier, just so you guys would see all of that, because it's pretty see-through. But yeah, so what are you gonna rate this now?
I would give that a 10. I really like this. I don't know why, but I was thinking like you could wear that out, like if you wear like jeans or like a bottom with it, and you could wear that as a top. That would be cute. And I love the denim look. I've been into that lately.
Yeah, it's just such a simple slip-on, but still so like
the lace makes it even like more cute.
Yeah, it makes it very cute and sexy. So I really like that. You know, just sit at home. Lounge. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, which is one thing I like. 5/5. Okay guys, so thank you for watching today's video, and thank you again to Savage X Fenty for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to leave all the link in the description bar down below. Make sure you use the link so you can go ahead and sign up for the VIP membership so you can get yourself some discount. But yeah guys, again, thank you for watching. Make sure you come back for our next video. But anyway, remember to always be
your own kind of beautiful.
Bye.